Hello everyone, we're Lance Fans of Gaming. This will be the last video for the April Patreon 2025. We'll be looking at the overview that we had looked in the past and see what we have missed or not. I'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer Proxies, and Figure. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. And yeah, all the links for it will be down below for you guys for you to enjoy and check them out as well. Let's get started. So Bruno R3D STL, this is the figure one for it. And this is going to be next month. Final render 3. So I know these two might be it. We got this one as well. Do not know all the names for them, but they should be pretty good for you guys for later on. Last Sword Miniature. This is mostly for Old World proxies for it. For April, we got Bertoli's. And then we also got uh, elves as well, and some undead. It looks like it for it. Foliage Wheel of Silence. Oh, we have two. Oh yeah, we have two. Cancel one. Peach figure. This is another STL file for figure one as well. So we got Makoto from forgot what it's called. Ghost in the Shell. Here we go. There's Mai from King of Fighters, and we got 2B from Neri Automata. I think they got more that's coming up. I don't know for a fact. But yeah, so these are the four for you guys, and I think this is the past one as well. Lost Heritage Miniature. This is mostly D&D. They use actually pop culture and make them into miniatures as well. I forgot what the alien Psycholopti is from. Janitor and the Scientist. Trench Crusade. Oh, this is from Trench Crusade, a new wargaming that just came out not that long ago. So it should be pretty fun for that. Highland Miniature, another Warhammer proxy for Old World or Age of Sigmar. For I think we're getting are we getting another? Are we gonna get another for Scafins for May? I think this is the elves, the wood elves, for it for the Old World. If you want to print some more out for your thing. I have not got the box yet for the Wood Elves yet. Ordered Dwarves. Those are two things that just came out that I am actually missing, and I am actually waiting on getting the box set because everything just went up in price over here for me to build and stuff like that. Merge Project figure is another figure for like pop culture, like Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, like the Dragon of Ra, and we got Merrick right there. Digimon. We got Charmeleon and got Agumon. I think that's pretty much what the April reward is going to be. Mr. Murdoch. This is another Warhammer 40k proxy, but mostly they're going to be orcs. Yeah, you gotta love them orcs. There's too many goddamn orcs. I have too many goddamn orcs up on the shelf that needs to be put together and painted. I'm saving that for October for me to do those things. But other than that, a lot of orcs. If you really enjoy orcs, they have a lot of stuff for you for orcs as well. So yeah, I finally dialed down how to paint the skin tone now. It should be a lot easier to do. PS Miniature is another Warhammer proxy. I think we're getting Sisters of Battle for this April right here. So Sisters of Battle with big old guns for this month. Maggie Pie 3D is another figure one as well. Remember our Patreon free paid for this month. So this will be this month's thing. Like lewd, erotic, big old big old biddies is great. Bite the Bullet. This is another D&D style ones as well. This is what's going to come out this month, and you also have your throwbacks as well, and your April release. For you got the Yanti God, Beholder, one of the I think it's a pit demon, Nether demon, I think this is a fiend dragon, not a dragon boy, half dragon. Owl bear babies, chimera, displacer beast, displacer beast babies, another Yanti, some kind of demon. Looks like gargoyles to me, and you got a Drider, but I think this is supposed to be Loaf um, for it. Beastarian miniature. This is like Dark Souls, Elden Ring style D&D miniatures. You're going to use this on your board games as well if you do own it. They're grotesque, dark, and grim. These are the type of miniatures I really do like to paint because you don't have to put too much color into it. But dry brushing, making this, because how the miniatures is displayed and created, just dry brushing it makes it so much easier and makes it more pop because it's so detailed in many ways as well. And it has to be like, grim dark is like dark. Not bright color, like dark color, But there's some little vibrancy in between the lines for it. But I think these are pretty cool to have and paint and print out. So, yeah. But I'm out of resin in many ways. White Werewolf Tavern, another miniature as well. I am not going to, but just check them out. Probably go look on the top because got some angels, looks like it, and demons. So half demons and half angels. So it's a half demon army and half angel army. I mean devil army, not demon, devil army and an angel army right over here as well. Penske's miniature is a Warhammer, not is a wargaming proxy. They use like aliens, predator, a lot of other stuff like cyberpunk. They've got some Power Ranger stuff in there as well. For the April release, you can see we've got a lot of aliens coming out, and this is some Dead Space right here, and that's from StarCraft, the Protoss for it in many ways. So it's really good. But you can probably use, but this one also goes well with one page miniature Patreons, the Wargaming as well. Also, you guys probably proxy this into your actual Warhammer if you really, really wanted to in many ways. You got the past and the future one as well. Monsters Encounter, this is another proxies, and also they do D&D as well. So we got the Chaos, the Dark Crusaders, the Chaos. For the old world. I don't have any of the chaos yet. We got a dark sorcerer. So they're more like old school style, old world, and they kind of look pretty much similar to what you actually buy back in the days. And also D&D as well. So this might be really good for you guys to have. SW3D is Star Wars figure, and they do bust as well. Then there's a head of a, not a Rancor. What is it? What's this thing's called? I forgot the name. Really, Darth Maul, Darth Raven. I believe that's what this one is. You got the light dual saber and stuff. So Wampa, it's the Savage Wampa. Yeah, they're gonna have a lot more figures like that as well. The Triumvirate as well. Deco figurines, another figure ones as well. This is the last month, and this will be current month that they're working on right now. This character, came out for Zero Zone Zenless. I can't wait to actually print her out and paint her myself. I am probably going to have to make stencils just to make these kind of patterns for it. And I got to find an actual flexible piece of plastic that I can actually cut through. Because I don't have the money to buy the Cricut to make those stencils in many ways. Choice for May. Oh, you gotta do it. You gotta do it in Discord for May. I'm okay. They can do it. Pink Studio, another figure one as well. This is April's project. See which one's going to get. Looks like I'm going to get Rantura. I don't mind that. she's kind of kinky. 3D XM. This is another chibi style, and also they do full figures. So they got Goku, Chibi Goku, Chibi Hawk, and a whole bunch of other stuff. And, you got the you know Thundercats Warhammer Punisher version of it. So pretty cool stuff as well. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.